Hey guys, Robert Fixie here. Today we're working on a 94 Accord. This radiator fan decided it didn't want to work. When the car was on, it was moving like in slow motion, and the car started overheating. And I whacked on it a couple times. It would work again, and then it stopped working after like 15 minutes. So got a new fan. This is the Dorman fan from AutoZone. It's the whole assembly. So you get the whole shroud, the original type connector here. This was 65 bucks. You can buy just this for $50 and then just transfer it into your old one, but then you don't get the original connector. And I think for a few bucks more, most people would just rather replace the assembly. So that's what we're doing. Radiator hose is off. This is off. I just have to get the two bolts from underneath, and I'll be right back. So here's the two side by side. Looks pretty close. Maybe this one was changed before. It's probably not the original fan. What's this one? I'm not sure it has part number on it. You're supposed to undo these two bolts on the bottom, but as you can see, the bottoms are notched out. So I just undid the top two and yanked on the bottom, and it came right up. And then you just have to undo the fan connector. So let's throw in the new one, see how it does. That is working good. Still a little coolant on it. And then, so this one is temperature controlled. This one should come on anytime you turn on the AC, just so you know. It's two different fans. Worked pretty good. It only took about half an hour to install it. 65 bucks. And you can do it yourself. I'll put a link to the part numbers below. Thanks for watching.